This is a super lightweight, high-powered, and fast-drying 500 million negative ion producing quiet hair dryer with magnetic diffuser and nozzle attachments, 2 speeds, and 4 heat settings. I was sent a review from Illume, so let me show you a closer look because I love it. Nice long cord, nice and bendy and durable there. Polarized 2-prong plug. You've got both a diffuser attachment and a nozzle attachment, both magnetic. It's super easy to get on and off, and then of course it's gonna rotate however you need it. Your little vent is down here. Your controls are back here. You've got off, low, high, and here, low heat, medium heat, high heat. If you long press it, it's gonna cycle through the temperatures. That's what I'm gonna use. We're gonna go high. So powerful. I love that you can just rotate that in the middle of using it. So amazing. Not super loud. That took about 3 or 4 minutes to do a 90% dry. I don't like to go all the way dry. That is an amazing hair dryer. Equivalent to a Dyson, I would say, in power, but not in price. I love it, and I know you will too.